If you want to have a fun day with your kids, go to the Frankenmuth Spray Park at Memorial Park. It's a wonderful way to spend the afternoon for free with your children. And don't worry about that nasty chlorine smell or ruining your clothes, because this splash pad has all fresh water. When your kids are done splashing around, they can go over to the playground. There is a big playground and a small playground, and there's also a swing for special needs children, which I think is absolutely fantastic. The surface of the playground is very soft and is made out of rubber, so if by chance your child falls, hopefully they won't get hurt. The area also has clean public bathrooms. I gotta tell you, when I checked them out, I was really impressed by how clean they were. There's also an area for you to sit down and change your clothes or to do a quick diaper change. Our community is so thankful for all of the hard work that the JCs put into building this spray park. It couldn't have been done without community support, volunteers, grants, private and public and businesses all donating to the cause. And we thank you so much. So if you stop by the park, make sure you take a look at the wall and see who the contributors were that helped make this such a wonderful place. I hope you enjoyed my video. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my page, Frankenmuth Local. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you around.